This is a review of the Aukey CB-D17 Premium Micro USB sync and charging cables for smartphones and tablets. What you get with the kit is two 3.3 foot cables, one 6.6 foot cable, and three 1 foot cables. The thing that struck me when I first got it was that the box says it's a 3-pack. Even though it's showing 6 cables on the cover, it does say a 3-pack, and on the back, in the description, it mentions a 3-pack again, and down in the description it says a 3-pack. So I don't know what's going on with that. But you do get 6 cables, one 6 foot long, 2 of them that are 3.3 feet long, and one that is, 3 that are 1 foot long. So, it's time to test them. I plugged them into my smartphone, which has the Qualcomm 2.0 quick charge feature. And you have to have a special charger and a special phone for that to work. But anyway, it charged it from 60% to 100% in right around 40 minutes. Which is about normal from what the OEM cable and charger charged my phone. It is a 20 AWG cable, which allows for the fast current for the 2.0 charging to work. They seem pretty durable. One thing I did notice is that the tip on these is a little bit longer than the normal size tip for the other USB cables I have. Which is good because what it does is if you have a case on your phone, that extra length right there will allow you to plug it into your phone, accommodate the case, and still have the connection that goes into the phone. When I did plug it into my phone, it was a snug fit. You could hear it click like it was locked in. It wasn't loose and seemed to be pretty sturdy and charged it pretty well. It does come with an 18-month worry-free warranty from the company. So I've read some reviews on these online and said they fall apart really quick. They seem really sturdy for now, but if they do fall apart, you do have the warranty. And I will post an update in maybe a month or two to see how they're working out and how durable they are. Okay, I told you that the little tip part is a little bit longer than a normal size one, which was good to accommodate cases on cell phones. There's the measurement of it. Looks like to be 0.6 of 1 centimeter, the length of the little tip. And the overall end of this whole plug looks like it's 2 1/10 centimeters. But it fit fine in my phone. When I pushed it in, I heard it click, and it was a snug fit on it. The end of it is the micro USB. Let's see if I can get that in the focus here. And that's what you need for, I think the majority of smartphones now use this connector on it. It seems very sturdy. The cable's really thick. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The other end of the cable is just your normal USB 2.0 plug. So again, I'm going to just post a positive review for now. They work fine. It charged my phone just like the OEM cable charged it. And we'll do an update in a few months or a few weeks to report on the durability of how long these things last. But for now, it's a great value for 6 cables, and I'm recommending it at this point. Bye!